Today I'm sharing a Temu nail art haul with you. All links will be down in the description of this video. So if you're interested in seeing this video, I will move everything aside and we'll get started. So I do love everything about Temu. You get great quality products, say nail art, nail supplies, also other items for your house, for beauty, just goes on. And this video is mainly a nail art haul and a few supplies. And also I will be sharing something else that is related to beauty at the very end or somewhere near the end. So watch for that. It's going to be a good one. I'm really impressed by it. And also, if you guys do not know, I have that $100 coupon bundle below. So you will be down in the description and you can purchase $100 worth of product and you can use that coupon to get $100 off. That coupon is for new users. I also have a coupon code for anyone else that is a returning Temu purchaser. So just so you know, I wanted to let you know that right away so I don't forget. But getting started with the nail art. So first of all, I did share this in my last Temu haul, but I did purchase one more. I like it so much. It is really good quality. These ones stay sharp and are sharp to begin with. I've used some other ones and I just don't like them, but this one I do. So I did order another one, and as you can see, it came with a lid to protect it, obviously. And I will pull it out here. It's just really good. You can almost tell by looking at it, it's good quality. And of course, there's the lid for it, but really, really nice. And it does have the smaller head too. It's not the larger one. So I have one here that is a larger head. I'll show you the difference. So we've got this one, which is not as good as this one, but you can kind of see there, see how the head is that much smaller than this one. That's what I like about it. It gets in there nice and tight in the corners of the cuticle area. Whereas this one's a little harder to do that. I do use this one, but it's not as sharp as this one. So I've seen this around a bit and I thought this is a great idea. So what this is it's a dotting tool, but it has all of the different sizes in this pen. How neat, right? So it shows on the pen here. So you've got the smallest, it's 1.0, and then it goes to 1.6, 2.2. So it's got three dotting tools on it. So we'll open the smallest first and I'll show you. So there's the first one. So if you really need those tiny, tiny dots, it's perfect, say, for a small polka dot design or just little dots around the nail. And then we've got this one, and you can see this one was the 1.6. So it's a little bigger. And then we get into the 2.2. So yeah, I really like that because I can switch it quickly and not have to grab another dotting tool. So I thought it was a good idea. Next, we have a few stickers, so I'll just show you those. I thought these were perfect spring stickers. How cute, right? And you can even do the French, almost like the one French I have on mine right now. These are really cute, right? Like there's quite a few different ones in different colors. And then I got these. I thought these were so pretty for spring. And, you know, some blue flowers. There's some pink ones, white ones. Really nice. And a bunch of different sizes on there. And there's groupings. I think those would be cute for a set of spring nails. And then we get into some foil. And I will bring them out. So it's packaged like this, Horace. But yeah, let's take a look here. There must have been certain foil in here I thought was really nice, so I had to get it. So we've got this one, and these are the sizes, which you can get quite a few nails from the size of 1. Those are pretty. And then we've got, oh, these ones are really nice too. There's a whole bunch on here, which is nice. These are nice spring ones. Again, really nice. Oh, this one's nice. A lot of people would love to have this one. This one will be popular. Yeah, there's actually quite a few on here. I'm not sure. Maybe there's 10. I'm not sure offhand, but there's quite a few. This one's cute. It's with the polka dots. And I feel like yellow and orange and green. Blue. And then we've got, oh, these are pretty. Pink. And then we got some of these red roses. Green. And then the last one, it's cute too. I think I might have a couple of these already, but I like the fact that you get a bunch of different ones. These are good spring ones. I wanted to try some of their files, and these are 100, 180, and I think there's 50 in here. Really good price. Let's just open it up so I can see better. Yes, so see 100, 180. It says professional, washable, disinfectable. I'm not sure if I will disinfect them. I may just throw them away like I always have, but these are ones you can disinfect. It has to soak for the 10 minutes in your high grade disinfectant, but I don't think I'll do that. I'm just not a big fan of doing that. And so this is I don't really want to open this right now. I'm just seeing how thick these are. Maybe I will open it. We need to see how wide these are and if they're going to be good or not. Well, they're wrapped twice. At least they're wrapped really nice because now I got to go into the second layer. See here. Should be able to pull one. See if they're too thin or if they're good thickness. Okay, so these are pretty thin. I'm not a big fan right off. Unless you like a thinner one, I'll see. Maybe they'll be okay, but I'll know right away when I use one on a client if they're going to be thick enough. I thought they were going to be thicker. Maybe I should have looked better, but we'll give it a try and I will let you know if I like them. I can put it down in the comments after I use one, so look for that down below. But yeah, pretty thin. Or no, they might be okay. I've been looking for a type of remover for removing, like, say, a full nail tip like this. And you're supposed to be able to spray this under, like, underneath, and it should lift it. And I'm not impressed by this either because there's no label or anything on here. But I wanted to give it a try and see if this even is going to work. But yeah, I don't like the fact that there's nothing on here other than the bottle like this. One more thing to share with you, and this is beauty related, not nail related, but this I am very impressed with. And I will have the link down below of this exact one because there's a bunch of different ones. But it is a cordless automatic curler. And it is actually really good. I will pull it out. I've used it. I put it back in here after to show you in the video how it comes. But so pulling it out, there is instructions. There's also, you get a comb. You also get a couple clips, which is nice. You get a charger, and it is rechargeable, which is really nice too. So if you wanted to do your hair in the car, you could, and you don't need to plug it in. Just make sure it's pre-charged. And it goes up to 200 degrees Celsius. It has a left and right. I'll show you in a sec here. It has a power on off button, a menu button, LCD display, start button, and curling chamber. And yeah, I'm going to show you everything here quick. And if you want me to do my hair or a reel doing my hair with this, let me know in the comments and I will do a quick reel to show you how well this does work and how to use it. I like that they packaged it nicely. And the nice thing about this, I'm gonna move this aside. It's very heavy, which is good because then it's good quality. It's not cheaply made. So I'm just going to turn it on to show you. So you just hold it and there it comes on. Now it's telling you you're at 150 degrees Celsius. So I like to turn it up to say 200 because I have very fine hair, and I'll just show you. Okay, so we're going to go. So that's blinking now, the 150. So now I just do this to turn it up. And there it's at 200. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it does say 200. And it blinks funny. I don't know why that is, but when you have a display screen like this, it never looks the same in the camera as it does in person. But it's at 200. It's not blinking where I can see. And so now it's showing it's heating up. Now there is right or left, so it'll spin one way or the other way, depending on what side of your head you're on. And so if I want to switch that, I just click that. And once that R is blinking, I switch it, and now it shows left. So it's really neat. And then I will just kind of show you. So if you put your hair in here, you would use this button right here once the hair is in. And there it's going to spin your hair. And now it's timing it because I leave it in there then. And then I can take it out once it's done. Again, if you want to see a video, let me know in the comments and I'll show you better how it works. It's really neat. So there it's done. Now I pulled my hair out and there is the charging port. Really nice. And honestly, I have had a lot of curling irons in my life, and I have never had one that curls as good as this with my fine hair. And it stayed curly for a couple days. Like, I never have that. It usually comes out the first day. I don't have a lot of volume, but this thing was amazing. So this is probably one of the best purchases I've ever done from Temu. I love this curling iron. So here's everything I received in the haul. I do like some of the items a lot, and a few I will have to see what I think of them, but overall I feel it's a good haul. I will have another haul coming up here soon from Temu. I'd ordered some more products, so I'll be sharing that as well. If you like the video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? And I will see everybody in the next one.